Look for darkened, rough, or cratered spots on the contactor's contact faces as the primary sign of carbon pitting. Start by de-energizing the circuit and locking out the power source to ensure safe access. Remove the contactor cover and gently actuate the coil manually or with control power to bring contacts together and apart while observing contact faces under good light. Use a flashlight and a 10 power loupe or magnifying glass, held steady to inspect for tiny pits, raised bumps, or a gray to black film that wipes off with a soft cloth, which indicates carbon transfer rather than solid metal wear. Measure contact gap and travel against the manufacturer-specified values with simple tools such as a feeler gauge and a ruler to confirm mechanical wear. Deviations often accompany pitting and reduce reliable coupling. If you see shallow smearing but no deep craters and electrical resistance across closed contacts remains low, you may lightly clean with a non-conductive contact cleaner and a lint-free cloth, then recheck operation and measure coil and contact resistance. For deeper pits, cracked contacts, or any visible overheating discoloration, replace the contactor outright and schedule a pre-summer replacement to avoid failure during high-load seasons. Document your findings with date-stamped photos and notes to track progressive wear and to inform replacement scheduling and spare parts inventory. Common issues include mistaking carbon film for deep pitting, which leads to unnecessary replacement, so verify by wiping the surface and re-inspecting with magnification and resistance checks to distinguish removable film from actual material loss. Another frequent problem is failing to lock out power or bypassing mechanical checks. Always isolate power and actuate contacts manually to confirm movement and gap dimensions before declaring a contactor serviceable. A third concern is relying solely on visual inspection without measuring contact resistance and travel, which can miss marginal contacts that will fail under load. Measure resistance with a low ohm meter and compare travel to spec, and if either is out of tolerance, schedule replacement. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local electricians and contractors who can perform detailed electrical inspections and contactor replacements quickly and affordably. We also connect contractors with nearby project leads and maintain a discussion community where both homeowners and professionals share inspection tips and scheduling advice.